All right, welcome. We're going to go over how to submit your final web page for your grading. And again, this is a very big part of our grade, so we have to make sure that it's done correctly. So let's go with this. Please pay attention to maybe a few minutes, but this is very important for your overall semester grade. So what you need to do on both AP Government and regular government, go to the 11th and click on Submit here, and it takes you to this screen, okay? And you'll notice if you go through period 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and A, B, C, all the way down through, okay? Follow the steps. This is very, very critical here that you need to follow all these in logical order. So you're going to locate your period, find your family group letter, then you're going to hyperlink and so forth. I have given you 5 spots for each family. Most of us have 4, but a few of us do have 5. That's why I've given you 5. So you don't have to use them all if you don't have the family members there. But I do need you to write your full name, please. Whatever it comes out in Aries, that's what it needs to be at. It does say here that you need to hyperlink, okay? So you need to get your final web page site and come back over here and do that, okay? So I will show you this quickly, but we're going to go back to revisit it. So if I go to my published site, this is my published site here. Okay, I'm going to copy it. Then I will come back over to my A there, and I will come up to the link, click it, right click my published site, and boom, there it's changed color, okay? When you have done this, step 3 says it. You need to change the cell background from from yellow to green. So how I would do that, it's yellow. I'm going to come up to the paint bucket and I'm going to change it to green. That way I know it's there and all your families are here. It means you are good to go. Failure to do this will result in significant deductions. So please, please, please make sure you're doing that correctly, okay? Now, let me show you again how you do that. So if this is our editing site, I'm going to say, this is yours. This is our Dawn Tank for next semester. I'm going to come up here next to the published, and I'm going to publish it always. All I do then is I come down to the publish options, the tab here, click view published site, and it takes me to my site there. Very simple, okay? Here's the problem. A lot of our web pages that we do things, we have documents on here. We have things that you want to be able to see, right? If I go down, wonderful. Like this one, you can see it because I have it on that setting. I'm going to show you an example, and this is not meant to call anyone out or anything. Okay? If I go here, I notice they have documents in here, but these documents are blocked. It says I need permission, right? So if I were to click it and make it bigger, I don't have permission. So this is what you're going to have to do for every single one of your documents to make them visible. You're on a document, the document that you want. You need to go up to the top right where it says share. And I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go down to the bottom where it says advanced. I'm going to click on that. And notice here, this one says private, only I can access it, meaning whoever has this link won't be able to see it. So then what I got to do is I got to change it so everyone can see it. And what I would like you to do is, since this is on the World Wide Web here, I would like you to go to on, public on the web, and you need to make sure that this access says can view. Not can edit or comment, they can just simply view it. Once you've done that, click save. And now it will show you that anyone on the internet can find and view, and click done. Therefore, whenever they go to your web page, they'll be able to see that instead of getting access denied, okay? And I need that. That must be there for every single document that you put down in your thing for you, okay? I think that's covered it for the most part. Any other questions, feel free to reach out, but you need to follow this protocol. Again, failure to do this will result in it not being accepted and severe, severe deduction. So please just follow the steps 1, 2, and 3. Give yourself plenty of time. Don't wait till 11:58 at night to submit it, and you will be good to go. But I'm looking forward to seeing all your final products, and I know many of us have worked very hard on this, and it's nice to see the fruits of the labor come, and you can use this for resume, anything that you want, but be proud of yourself more importantly.